Oh, that's definitely stuck. Oh, came all the way up for it. What is this? Two fish at one time. That's crazy. Everybody, welcome back. Out here on the creek, looking to get into a multi-species day. Got my 6-foot ultralight, and I'm using a 2-inch megabass twitch bait. So we'll see what we can get into. I have a green sunfish, some largies in here, smallmouth, creek chubs, could be whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm just out running this little creek. It's going to be a hot day today, so run this short section and call it. Hopefully it doesn't get too bad, so let's get to it. Let's try down here by these rocks. Yep, there's something. I don't know what that is. Smallie. First smallie. And boy, is he tiny. Ha ha ha. Look at that one. Still might change to the other one just because of, I think it'd be a little bit more effective. Oh, it's a fish jumping. As I'm saying, changing lure. Finally, oh, getting into the smallmouth. Alright, I can work with that. Guess we'll stay with it. Yep, there's another one. That's definitely a good fish. What we got? Greenie. A little bit on the larger side of what I've been catching. Not a whole lot, but it's like a green sunfish. Another green sunny. Man, they're small. Another greenie. Another green. Alright, this looks pretty good in here. Let's cast and walk. Oh, that was decent. There's another one. Oh, a little bit of drag there. Alright. Biggest smallmouth so far. How about that? I think as we go down, yeah, that's about 6 inches there. He's good. Let's see if we can keep this going. More than one. There's always more than one. Oh, there, I see one right there. That's definitely not the one I caught earlier. There's one. That's green. Green sun. Little chubby one. Ha. Let's try again. There's that smallmouth. Green sunfish took it. Man. Another greenie. Alright, back at it. Oh, here we go. Right away. Another smallmouth. I had to cut that out real quick. A homeowner came down and just see what I was up to, catching fish. Just tell me the rundown of the creek, which was nice. Just respecting his privacy by not recording him. As soon as that ended, we got into that one. There we go. Let's see if we can catch a couple more. This ultralight is definitely getting it done today, man. And this little mega bass lure. I'd sooner fish a creek with a tiny little jerkbait than anything else, but who knows, man? I might change up a little later to hellgramite, little hellgramite pattern I just bought. So let's get over there. Take the path of least resistance. Oh. Alright, my tiniest fish so far. We can add a fall fish, tiny fall fish. I mean, I caught one earlier. Fall fish. That's definitely small. Actually, these next two holes are my primary focus for excitement because now we're getting closer to the river. Oh, there's something. Green. Oh, no. Definitely not green. Another fall fish. Okay, getting into it. It's a beautiful little stretch right here. Anything with a corner is going to have a deeper downside. Let's see. Yep, that's something in there. Oh, got it back. Smallmouth. There we go. How about it? Nice little one. Oh, another one. That's a little better. What is that? What is that? Oh, it's a rocky. Decent. I'll hold on to him. there. Oh, look at this. That's precious, that hole. Oh, here we go. What? What? Something's on it. There we go. Nope, missed him. Tough fishing from upstream because they have an easier chance of throwing the hook. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. Okay. Definitely smallmouth. Yeah. That's a good one. Yeah, real good one. Look at him. Look at that rod. Wear him down a little bit. Here, young man. There we go. Great smallmouth. Okay. Well, we're gonna head back up, change this out, probably put something different on, maybe catch a couple more decent smallies on the way up through. That's probably too heavy for this rod. Got some finesse micro neds, the little hellgramite pattern. Never used that before. That'll kind of give you an idea right there. Nice little flavor for the creek. Let's see what we can do. Okay, right back at it. Next hole. See if we can get something. Oh, greenies are all over it. Again. Oh, that was a good one. Like a red belly. Yeah. Cool looking fish, man. Almost. Yep. That's a good fish. Smallmouth. Oh no, it's not. It's a solid fall fish. Wow, man, look at that. Like I said, creek tarpon, man. That thing's crazy. You didn't hesitate on that at all. That's a good one. That's gotta be a greenie. Yep. He's out. Oh. Alright. Supposed to be a red belly. Not so red yet. Coming back. Oh, look at that smallmouth. Look at you, big fella. Followed it. Didn't commit. But definitely followed it. Oh. Let's throw it up a little higher. Alright, that's decent. How about it? It's a chubby little thing. Yeah, eating good. Hellgrammite getting it done. See if anything will. Oh, alright. Rock? Yep, that's a good sized rock bass. That can't be good. Good looking fish. Alright. Right away. That's smallmouth. I think. Yep. Nope. My creek tarpon. Look at this. Let's do this first. Look at this guy. What? It's got like 12, 13 inches right there. Yep. That's a greenie. Oh, that's a good one. Yep. Look at that pattern. Good. Okay, a little hole I was looking forward to on the way back. We'll see. That's something. That's smalls. Oh, rock bass, I think. Yep. Another rock bass. Easy does it, buddy. There we go. It's cool. That's a good fish. Smallmouth. Nope. Creek tarpon. Another one. Now he knows. Wow, this is the biggest one yet. Yeah. Where I wanted to be. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Oh, what is that? No, smallmouth? Looks like it. No, smallmouth. I can't even tell. No, one's a trout. No way. I got him. I got him. Is it?